Hey, here we go with page 2 using the AC method from Monday. And we do A times C here. 4 times negative 6, that's negative 24. And I'm thinking, since I see that 5 in the middle, see those two numbers are 5 apart, and we want them to multiply out to negative, so they've got to have opposite signs, and they've got to add up to a positive 5, so we want this one, the 3, to be the negative. See, 8 and negative 3 make 5. So I rewrite this now, replacing the middle with, let me write plus 8x minus 3x instead of 5x, and then minus 6 at the end. And I'll say again, I could have put the minus 3x there and the 8x there. It wouldn't make a difference. Factor out 4x. 4x times x makes 4x squared plus 2. That would make 8x. And these, I can factor out a minus 3. Minus 3 times x makes minus 3x. And to get a negative 6, we need a plus 2, don't we? That'll make a minus 6. And now we just have to write the answer. X plus 2. And notice the signs. Notice all the details. You got to have the two sets of parentheses. You got a plus sign there because of the plus sign in both of those. And a minus sign here because it's 4x minus 3 on the outside. There's our answer for that. All right, let's go to this one. 2 times 12 is 24. There's 24 again. And 8 and 3 will work again because 8 and 3 add up to 11. This one's all plus signs. I'll rewrite this 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12. All I did was replace the 11x. And now I'm doing the factoring by grouping. 2x comes out here, 2x times x plus 4, and 3 comes out here, 3 times x plus 4. Remember, you want these to be the greatest common factor. They need to be as big as possible. Otherwise, these won't come out matching. The parentheses won't come out matching. Here's the answer, x plus 4, 2x plus 3. Okay, ready to move on? 6 times 15 is 90. And this one's kind of handy. 9 and 10. 9 times 10, 9 plus 10. I'll write 6x squared. Let me do plus 9x, then plus 10x, plus 15. Common factor here, 3x. 3x times 2x plus 3. Let me check that. There's 6x squared. There's 9x. Good. And a 5 here. 5 times 2x. 5 times 2x. 5 times 3. All good. 3x plus 5. Okay. Let's go to this one. 24 again. And here we want numbers that add up to negative 10, multiply out to plus 24. 6 and 4. If they're both positive, they would add up to positive 10. If they're both negative, that'll still make a positive 24 from multiplying them, and they will add up to negative 10. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to write 3x squared minus 6x minus 4x instead of the minus 10x, and plus 8. And I factor out 3x. 3x times x minus 2. Factor out a minus 4. Minus 4 times x makes the minus 4x. And we need a minus 2, don't we, to get the plus 8. Here's the answer. X minus 2. 3x minus 4. Okay. Almost done here. Whoa, whoa. 15 times 8. 15 times 8, that's 120. 120. And 20 plus 6 is 26. 20 times 6 is 120. So here we go. Rewrite the middle. Replace the 26x with 20x plus 6x. 20x plus 6x goes in there instead of 26x. Everything else stays the same. And I'm grouping those two and those two. Factor out of 5x. 5x times 3x makes 15x squared. And then plus 4 makes it 20x. Factor out a 2 here. 2 times 3x plus 4. And we got our common binomial factor. I haven't mentioned this morning, remember, any of these answers can be checked by multiplying your factored form and seeing that you get back where you started. Also, you know, if you want more practice, you can make up your own exercises. Just write 2 sets of parentheses like that. Use whatever you want. Multiply it out. Get your multiplied out version. And then leave it alone for a half hour. Come back and see if you can factor what you created. Okay, last one for today. 2 times 50 is 100. And I'm thinking, there's our key, right? Those add up to 29. Those multiply out to 100. And, you know, I'm getting these numbers out of my head pretty quick because I've been doing this for since before you were born. Yes, I think that's true for everybody in the class. You know, almost everybody. Anyhow, I was just going to say, don't hesitate to use a calculator to do this work. So, replacing the middle, I'm going to write 4x plus 25x instead of 29x. And I got common factor 2x. 2x times x plus 2. Common factor of 25. 25 x plus 2. So the answer is x plus 2. 2x plus 25. And that's it for lesson 65 for Monday. Thanks for watching.